about the AI model called the Kimi K3 and how it's beating out in benchmark tests many of the other models such as Fable 5 by Anthropic, built on the Mythos architecture. So, yeah, pretty much China has introduced a new LLM which is beating out in benchmarks a lot of other existing models. So, that's kind of interesting, right? Um, doesn't really change things as much for the work that we're doing. So to give you guys an example, right now we're building the day labor marketplace app. It's been coming along very well. We're about to work on video number 3, but the idea is that, let's say for instance, Indeed has temporary permanent jobs, or permanent jobs, part-time and long, part-time and full-time jobs. But what happens if you're working a job or you own a business and somebody calls out at the last minute? Indeed will not help as much. There's a site called InstaWork that does help. They're a lot more costly than normal. So we're coming together and we're making an app called a day labor marketplace app. And the idea behind this app is that gig workers can easily find employment opportunities. Folks that are employers, they can easily find future employees that are looking to work temporarily for a day, a couple days, will be paid at the end of the day, and things like that. So this is pretty much a database, in a sense, connecting employers with prospective employees. So it's something we've been working for, and we're very, very excited about it. Folks, if you have not already, subscribe so you can follow along in the process. So happy to have this. Also, as you guys know, we come online late at night because we have a lot of followers based in India, also in Asia as well. So you'll find us online a lot talking about topics such as AI, life, or whatever. Our videos are based around AI topics only because the way the YouTube algorithm works, we have to do that. Or else we don't have any viewers. And on top of that, we used to be a global crypto and a global stock community. Still have love for crypto, still have love for stocks. We'll talk about that as well. We just don't make videos on crypto or stocks right now because it twists up the YouTube algorithm, and we need to get as many folks learning AI as possible. That's our mission for this channel. So thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having an amazing Monday. And if you just logged in, let us know where you're from. Let us know how your day's going. Happy to see you. Hey, X4XS. Everyone follow my friend X4XS. Check out their content. And if you don't like it after a couple of days, you can unsubscribe. But at least subscribe, folks. Welcome everyone new to the chat. We're just talking a little bit about AI today, talking about our day labor marketplace app that we're making to help folks make extra money on the side. We're using AI as a tool to make things happen. X4XS, thank you so much. Happy to have you. Jesus or Jesus15243, shout out. Happy to have you too, my friend. Everybody, if you can, follow the folks commenting. We are a global AI community, and community means we come together and we build and have a wonderful time together. Folks, we are currently building a day labor marketplace app that kind of takes the place of gig work. So if you ever drive Uber, if you drive DoorDash, this will give you an opportunity to make money from folks, from employers that need that are giving away job opportunities. Shout out to It's Air O Edits. Follow my friend. And hey, guess what? That's what they're asking. But I don't know. Let us know. But yeah, folks, so we're so happy to be here. Subscribe if you have not already. We're focused on making sure that we can teach the world AI, but we hang out, we chit chat, we talk, and we're working on a day labor place market app. Thanks for subscribing, my friend. Happy to have you. But folks, this chat is for you guys. Let me know what kind of videos you like for us to make. Let me know what you'd like to learn about AI. We want to get it in the video form so folks can learn. But yeah, we used to talk about stocks and crypto a lot, not as much now. We'll still talk about that on the video, on this channel, but not on the videos because the videos need to be dedicated towards other things. But yeah, my friends, like I said, happy to have you guys. I just wanted to tune in because usually I come on at 9, between 9 and 11, and we chop it up, we chat, we have a great time. But I missed it because I've been a little bit busy lately. But still wanted to talk to you guys, see how everyone's doing. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Monday because Monday is the fun day. So yeah, folks, let me know how you're feeling. If not, I'll be getting out of here soon. But just let everyone know we're using AI to build an app called a day labor marketplace app It's going to be so amazing. It'll be out in about a week or two. Can't wait for it to come out. But yeah, folks, we were talking a little bit about Kimi K3, which is a new AI model that China has released. We're talking about regulation as it relates to AI. Talking about, are we overregulated or underregulated? Are the guardrails in place to make sure that the world doesn't turn to Terminators and AI consumes us? What else? Talking about environmental concerns as it relates to AI, water usage by data centers. So the channel as a whole, we talk about a lot of AI concepts, but the lives, I like to go lives, connect with the community, build community. That's why I always say follow folks. My shout out to my friends from India. You know, I come on late night for my Indian folks. Sovik Potter 2740. Shout out my friend. Everyone follow my friend. Thank you for tuning in. I don't, what time is it in India? It's a little early, right? But yeah, India is a hot spot. We have a lot of followers from India. As a side note, folks, a lot of people join us from India. We were talking about Solana, the crypto, a couple years ago when it was like $8. We were talking about Solana heavily, and that's what we built up a lot of our followers. No, we're not bought it. We got a lot of followers from India specifically during that time frame because we be online late at night talking about crypto, Solana specifically. I hit a lot of those videos. We were talking about like how to build a Phantom wallet and stuff like that. I hate it because that's getting in the way of our AI initiatives. But if you guys want to see it, I'll bring it back out again. A lot of folks said they learned a lot from about Solana from that. So we can do that because I like talking about crypto. I like talking about stocks as well. Like I said, but I love talking about AI. AI is awesome. AI tools. So we're going to be showing you guys how to build tools to help your day-to-day life. Um, I recently built a tool in like 15 minutes that shows folks how to. It was like a survey, a poll for like one of my businesses. Like we're trying to get open on a certain day. We need some buy-in from some people. So like literally spun up this AI, this cool little AI tool in about 15, 20 minutes. And now we're using it to help leverage that. So we can use AI to get some good things done. And I can show you guys how to do it. If you do not know how to do it, it's so simple. Like, it's so simple. So that's why you guys need to subscribe to the channel because that's one thing that we're really focused on is showing folks how to build simple tools to help their life. Like, let's say if you have a boss, you're working 9 to 5, you should be able to go to your boss and say, hey, we have this, that, and the third problems in that department. I can solve it for us. And then you make a tool and then you save the day, right? So that's what it's all about. How are we going to use AI to increase productivity and ultimately to make money in our lives, right? At the end of the day, we go to work to make money, right? So you can supercharge what you're doing by making your own AI tool and have it help your team out, get recognition from your boss, your owner, or if you are the boss or owner, you can just increase revenue into your company, right? That's the name of the game. So that's all we're doing here is trying to get ahead of AI, stay up to speed with AI, and make it useful for our lives. And that's why we have the Global AI channel, my friends. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe. Because we've just been talking like 3 weeks. We've been going live for 3 weeks, and I love it because it helped me practice going live. We're going live for like 3 weeks, and we're just talking about things related to AI, specifically folks that they want to learn how to make money or do generative AI. So there's something called Kling, KLING.ai, that allows you to give a prompt, and from that prompt, it creates a video. So if you see these funny looking baby videos of the babies talking and dancing, all kind of stuff, a lot of that's coming from a program called Kling, KLING.ai. Folks are getting free trials and having fun with that. But that's just one of probably 1,000 different tips we're going to give on this channel. The goal is to keep folks ahead of AI so that you don't fall behind. So that's why you got to subscribe. And we hope we're adding value. And if not, let us know what you need from this channel. Someone on here can give you value that you need. But you're in the right place. You're tuned in. You're locked in. You're definitely where you need to be, folks. So happy to have you guys here. Like I said, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe so you can see when we go live. Okay? Simple enough. But thank you, my friends. Thanks for all my friends that tuned in again. Chat, shout out to the folks that are on here. Follow everyone that comments in the chat. That's how we build community. And folks, gotta run. Been about 10 minutes, but have a wonderful day. If I don't see you again until this evening,